In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma element not showing up. Here's how to fix it. Let's walk through this together so you can see exactly what's happening and how to make your element visible again. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're there, open your design. This can be any file you're working on, whether it's a new concept or an existing project. With your file open, we'll start by adding a rectangle. Use the rectangle tool from the toolbar and click and drag on the canvas to draw it. This will be the container for our next element. Now, let's add a circle inside that rectangle. Switch to the ellipse tool, then click and drag within the rectangle to draw your circle. Place it however you like, centered or off to one side, so you can clearly see the relationship between the two shapes. Sometimes, right after you draw the circle, it seems like it doesn't show up. That can be confusing, but it usually comes down to how the shape's appearance is set. If a shape has no stroke and no visible fill, or if its fill blends into the background, it can look like it's missing even though it's actually there. Here's the quick fix. Click to select the circle. Look to the right-hand side of Figma, where the Properties panel lives. Find the section labeled Stroke. You'll see a small plus icon there. Click the plus icon to add a stroke to your circle. As soon as you do, the circle should become visible because it now has an outline that contrasts with the background and the rectangle behind it. From here, feel free to add colors to personalize the look. In the same panel, you can click the color swatch for the stroke to choose a color that stands out. You can also set a fill color if you want the inside of the circle to be visible and distinct. Picking colors that contrast with your rectangle helps you instantly see your design layers more clearly. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your design, add a rectangle, draw a circle inside it, and if the circle isn't showing, select it and click the plus icon in the stroke section on the right. Add your colors and you're good to go. This simple adjustment ensures your elements are visible and easy to work with as you design.